Okay, day 5 of Go High Level. We're in it. We're figuring things out. We had conversations with pros. We'll talk about in a second. But I had a issue recently. Basically, I was trying to hook up my phone number, and I actually got denied on this. It's called this A2P registration. It was incomplete or failed. And I was just like, what the heck? Um, Something's off. Man, it wasn't as easy as I thought. Well, so I had a conversation with, my high level consultant, Derrick Reeves, Automation Club, shout out. Basically, he thought it failed because on my contact page on hptdigital.com, there was no terms and conditions about text messages. So people really didn't understand that if you provide your phone number, you agree to read you get text messages. So I added that, and then I resubmitted this thing, and it says somewhere that it's getting fixed. So it's under review right now. It's in progress. So there we go. Another thing that happened today was I connected Stripe at the agency level. So I had Stripe hooked up to my sub account, but at the agency level, um, I just had to connect that, and I think that was under Launchpad. It was telling me to do it, but I've since connected Stripe. So there we go. That is perfect. Email. So I wanted to connect my email address to my sub account. So what I have to do? Basically, click into the sub account settings, and then I went to my profile, and here we go. Oh, what a beautiful picture. I connected my HPT digital email address, so it syncs right now. And then I went to email services, and I basically connected my lead connector email system to the domain. So now when people get emails, it'll come from reply.hptdigital.com. This was pretty easy. Like you just clicked add a service, uh, or at the very start it's like add your domain. I put my domain in, and then you have to go to your DNS records, which mine is Cloudflare. It actually incorporates super easy with Cloudflare, and I had to put a dmarc.reply text type in here for record, and now it's all connected to my email system. So why is that good? Because basically I have my first automated workflow going, and it sends out an email trigger. So let's check that out. First thing, I created a form, which is under sites and forms. So I created a new form for this HPT Digital website contacts us form. And so that is on my contact page. I had another form in here that was not connected to HighLevel. Basically, I just went in and changed the code. But first, I created the form. What does that look like? I dragged and dropped fields, name, email, phone, business, what services are they interested in, tell us any additional details. Now, there's a little bit of programming that goes into this in connections, specifically like, you know, if you want to add a form element, you can just drag and drop. It's pretty cool. Some of these are like custom fields, like services. So I have custom fields under additional info, so services and additional details. And I saved that so I can use that in other forms. So I have the form, I saved it. Now you want to get it on your website. Click integrate, and this seems like it's a native element. It doesn't overlay, cannot be closed or minimized. That's what I wanted. And copy embed code, and I basically embedded it in this area right here. So this is the HighLevel form. So what happens when they hit submit? This is what HighLevel is all about, right? I will show you. So the form's done. Now we have automations. So this is a specific automation for a form submission on that contact page. So the trigger, somebody submits a form submitted, and what form? This contact form, and the filter form is the contact form that we created. So what happens? When that form is submitted, it assigns a user to my contacts and assigns it to me because I'm the only one in my company working this lead. But if you had other users, you could assign it to certain people. It also creates an opportunity or a tag. I'm sorry. Right when it comes in, it's called a website lead since it came from the contact page. So you can see the tag right here. Email, then it sends an email internal notification to me, subject new website lead, and then I have a message with the tags that I want to be notified about. So a new website lead was submitted with name, email, phone, business, and additional details. Also, it sends an SMS text. So it actually fails right now because the A2P that I just discussed isn't verified yet. But once that's verified, an SMS will go out to me, to all users, with the website lead information. You do have to be careful about characters because you get charged if it sends 1, 2, 3 text messages. I'm not too worried though. It's like a cent each or something like that. What also happens? Well, an opportunity is created so I can start tracking. So the action is an introduction lead. It goes to my pipeline. The stage is introduction leads, a brand new lead. What's that opportunity called? So the contact name and the company name, so I can easily see the opportunity source. So how do they come to us? You can give it a lead value. I'm assigning it $1,000. Assign it what you want, but a potential lead, I guess, to me is worth $1,000. And what else happens? A confirmation is emailed to that new lead. So it's going to send a confirmation that it came through from user, my email. Thank you for contacting us. Hi, first name. Thanks for contacting HPT Digital. We'll be in touch shortly. If you need immediate assistance, give us a call. In the meantime, give us a follow on these channels, my social channels, best, and with an email signature. So I was talking to Derrick at Automations Club, and you want to use tags for these because if you ever change something like a phone number or an email signature, or you want to go somewhere else, if you hard code that name in and signature, and then you want to go somebody else, you have to find all the workflows and automations that have that and change it manually. Whereas if you do a tag, it just updates automatically. And then boom, it's done. And then you want to save it and publish it. What's really cool is you can have different settings, enrollment history. So I got one lead. It was a test lead from Derrick who went through everything, and you can see it finished, the status, and also exactly what happened. So the lead came in, he was added to the workflow, contact added. This notification was the SMS. It was an error because it wasn't activated. I got text, lead, send an email, remove from workflow. So this is all super, super cool. That lead went into an opportunity, which I have since deleted because it was just a test. But this is how it works. So really strong day. If you want to sign up for HighLevel, please use my affiliate link in the description. I really appreciate it. Hit up HPT Digital Consulting in Pittsburgh if you ever need lead generation help using Google ads, Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads, or any automations. Have a great day. Bye.